Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so you don't have to miss any more videos in the near future. I'm going to be doing a review of the Zoom H1n accessories here. There's the package here. So just in case, if you're thinking about getting one of these to add to your content creator package or whatnot, or just to add it to your collection. So with all that being said, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends. I will try by all means and leave a link down in the description below so you can get yourself one of these package here to add to your collections. So let's jump right into this and open this box and see what it all comes with. There you have it, guys. Let's open this little package here and get that box out of it as quick as we can. I'm too excited, I can't wait to see. Alright, let's get it out. Yeah, this little box, I'll tell you, definitely it feels nice, really cool. I like the touch and the feel of it, it's really nice. It have the pictures and literally everything that's really included, hopefully, inside the box. So we're about to find out here. Open it and see. That's the windscreen, which feels really solid and well built. It doesn't feel cheap at all, I tell you that much. That's the part itself. That's where of course you put the zoom recorder itself. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Well built, something really handy to have around. I like it. Put your little device in it, put it in your pocket, or however you want to carry it around with you. But it's really nice. Yeah, like I said, this accessories probably will work well with people who have Zoom H1n or whatsoever device. At least something to have around. As you can see, my Zoom H1n fits right in there perfectly with no issues. It just sits right tight in there. That's just really cool. I like it. It will be cheaper just to buy the whole package than to buy it piece by piece, because definitely I was gonna get a piece, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy the whole thing. I will have a use for one of them. That is the adapter, the mic clip adapter. You just put it on the back of your device and hang it, put it in a boom mic if you have one, boom arm mic. Like I have here with me, you can clearly see it looks really nice and very comfortable to have around. It just makes things a lot easier when you're about to record or make whatever you have to do with it. Yeah, there isn't much with it though, but it might be handy to have around if you're into making videos or making music or whatnot. That is the adjustable tripod, which could be handy too. It makes things a lot easier just to put it on, or you can actually put a little cameras depending how heavy it is, because you can use it in multiple devices too. The tripod feels kind of stiff. I'm assuming it's just of course new, haven't been used, so hopefully by using it a couple of times or whatnot, it might loosen up a little bit. It definitely feels solid, I tell you that much. Just attach your little device on it, set it in front of you, and you are ready to make some good audio. And the legs are adjustable. You just adjust it to your own liking or whatever suits you, and you're ready to go. Just like that. There isn't much left in the box. thinking maybe 2 items, that's about it. That's the USB cable that comes with it. That could be handy too to have around. It's not that long, it's about, I believe it's about 40 inches long. But hey, I'm not complaining, you know. Just for you to, you know what you're gonna get probably if you're interested in getting one of these. But like I said, I will definitely leave a link down in the description below. So if you're interested of purchasing one of these, you know, just use that link and get yourself one of these. And that is the AC adapter, which could be handy too, you know, just in case if you want to charge your device or whatsoever. But overall, all these things could be very handy and useful to have around if you are a content creator or making music. It doesn't come with no instruction. You don't need that. The only downside with these accessories here, as far as I can tell, this is just my own opinions. The windscreen, you know, it fit really tight on it. The only downside is the control knob. It actually goes on top over the control knob, so you won't be able to see the control knob when you put the windscreen on it. That could be a little bit inconvenience, you know, but hey, I could live with that. So it's something just you gotta, you know, keep in mind if you're about to get this little thing. But overall, I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just here to, you know, share my little experience with you guys here. I really like it. As you can see, it fits really tight. This thing won't probably just fall off easily like that. The third thing is that I kinda didn't like is I wasn't really expecting the padded cell. I guess you could only put the recorder in it. You know, the rest of the stuff there is no room for it. So you're gonna have to find a place to put all those things. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and stay blessed. Thanks.